Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Bumble dating application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all, tap open your app store, go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Bumble and search. Look for this application from Bumble Holding Limited and tap on the Get button to begin downloading Bumble dating application on your iOS device. Now, wait until the application is downloaded and installed, and then you can access Bumble through your mobile device and start looking for a match for yourself, whether you are looking for a date or simply making new friends. So that was how you can easily download Bumble dating application on your iOS device within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.